Hey everybody, how are you guys? These are quail birds. I also made a video before, but today we're gonna do rotisserie quail birds. We're gonna use simple household items to marinate, such as salt. I use about 2 tablespoons, and then white pepper, and oil, roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any type of oil you want, but I had olive oil in front of me, so I used that. And then garlic and ginger paste. I used about 2 tablespoons. And then soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and oyster sauce. This one is a little tangy flavor, so you can use a little, a lot. I just used it because I'm using a bird. So bird are a little gamey flavor. It does have a little type of smell to it. So oyster sauce and soy sauce does cut that smell out a little bit. Also lemon. So I used 3 slices out of the full lemon. I still have a little bit left. You can use the full lemon. It's up to you. And lastly, I'm gonna use cayenne pepper for heat or spice, because we like spicy food. So garlic and ginger paste has that little bit of spiciness to it. Also, it's up to you guys. Some people can use different type of spices. You can even use habanero. It's up to you. It depends how spicy you like it. And also I used some kind of herb. I found it in the local market. I think it's called thyme. It's a dry one. I couldn't find anything fresh in the supermarket today. I don't know why. So I used this one, and since they're dry, I'm just gonna rub it on my finger a little bit and take the oil out of it. It does have a very nice smell to it. More like I don't know, more of like a mustardy type of smell, mustard kind of smell to it. Some people can use rosemary too. I'm just gonna mix it up and give them a nice bath. Well, you guys don't have to do that portion. I was just playing around. I'm just gonna cut the skin. At the beginning, I didn't cut the skin because these skin are very thin. It's not like chicken, basically. Because chicken skin, they're thick, and if I cut them at the beginning, it rips off. I tried them previously when I cooked, so I cut them at the end, and the marinade goes inside. Some people like the skin, some people don't. It's up to you guys. I like the skin. There's no fat in them anyways. I use some cilantros just to marinate them with. You can use, like I said, you can use different type of herbs. It's up to you. Some people can use Italian herbs and stuff. I also find a couple good stuff in grill mate, which I'm gonna use them next time when I grill. I did use it once in my video for grill mate, and those stuffs are really awesome. For like $1.25, $1.30, you could get anything you want from the supermarket for that cheap. So this is how it looks like. I did marinate them for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. By the meantime, I'm gonna do some potatoes also. These are red potatoes. Some people call them baby potatoes. They are so good when you fry them because they don't come out saggy or anything like that, and they're very good. They're not like those they're not like those big potatoes. The small ones has a little crunch to them, and it takes only 10 minutes to fully cook them. So we're using the similar items: salt, then the white pepper, and soy sauce. Guys, give it a try. See if you like it, because these potatoes, or any kind of potato, soaks in the flavor. Even though potatoes are like very starch material, but they soak in the flavor for whatever you put in. And one more thing, it will release water because we put salt in them. Anything you put salt into it, it sucks out the water, or it becomes a little watery. So when I put them in the when I put them in the air fryer, I will show you. My camera fell out of my pocket. Alright, this is the marinated potatoes, and this is the potato and the chicken, and it looks good. So it looks so good. I read them already. And this is the air fryer. I bought it from JCPenney's a long time ago, maybe a year ago or so. Maybe longer than that. I was like, what, $80, $100. It's definitely worth it. So I'm gonna use a little bit aluminum foil paper in the bottom, because anything that fries or anything like if you use some kind of foil paper, all the stuff will not stick in the bottom, rather than it will just fall in the top. You just throw it out. Saves you a lot of time. So I put the potatoes in the basket, and the water fell off. Okay, I'm gonna do it for 30 minutes. And 390 degrees Fahrenheit. That's plenty enough. If it doesn't crispy up or anything, I will just do it for another 10 minutes, but let's see how it goes. In the meantime, my wife is cleaning up the rotisserie, so let's see how that went. The back plate is a back plate, so that's where the heat and stuff comes from, and that's the resting plate. So I will show you guys how to put these birds in there. They're not chicken, so they're very small. The chicken leg, this bird is size of a chicken leg. Let's see. My sister's just washing something. Alright, let her finish up. And I just wetted up a napkin. I'm just gonna clean it up just in case nothing's on it. Okay, looks like the potatoes on there 20 minutes. Oh, 29 minutes. 29 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna stretch the meat, and I'm gonna go breast in and stretch the middle part, and then I'll put the legs so they become a little tight. So it does not sag. If it does sag, that means that your meat will wobble around and then it will fall apart. You could squish them together. These are little birds, so the one place it will start burning first is the leg end and the neck. Anything birds, it tastes really good. You can skip this part a little since you already see it, or you just watch how it goes. Like I said, guys, these meat does not have any fat at all. Once I did a barbecue myself, I was like so bored. I just went outside. I saw, was in the grocery store. I was like, you know what? Let me just pick up these quail burgers. And I went in the park and I started making them. I can't believe I ate 6 of them in one shot, and it's like, it's not even big, so it's, Okay, one more to go. Perfect. Okay, put the lid on. Now I will take it off the resting cap. Number 3 looks like it's dancing. Alright, I'm gonna do about 1.5 hours. You don't need that much. These are bird. They will cook in maybe 30 minutes, but the last 10 minutes or so is gonna be for crisping it up. I'm sure it'll be done before that. Just make sure that nothing is loose. It's not, the legs are not coming off or anything. Let's see, I'm just gonna fix it a little bit. Okay, let's see how the potatoes are doing too. 3, 2, 1, and that's done. Let's see how the potatoes came out. Whoa. Whoa. They are crispy. Super crispy. Look at the flavoring on them. Even though all the potatoes look like that when they're done, but the flavor is main. I'm just gonna leave it in there for a few minutes. I'm just gonna grab a plate and then I'll put them in. Let's see how the birds are doing. Oh, can you smell it? All the juices and stuff are retaining in them as they spin. Oh wow. They're hot. It's super hot inside. And use a safety glove. These came with the rotisserie, so I never bought one, and these work phenomenal. Like I said, guys, look at the legs. The legs are not burnt, I will say, but they're super crispy. How am I gonna take them out? Oh no, my fingers are too big. Okay, let me see. I need. Let's see what I need. Okay, got it. Just be careful, you don't want to rip the legs out. Alright, you see how crispy it is? It just came out. Like I said, guys, if you are on diet, give this bird a try. These are pretty good, pretty damn good. I'm not in a diet. I've been on diet for so long, I stopped even doing diets. No, I never been on a diet. Alright, it looks like done. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Looks so good. And that's the potatoes, and that's the birds. I just decorated with a little cilantro. You could use parsley, you could use anything you want. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, give me different ideas. Thank you, and really appreciate you guys for watching it. Thank you. And have a nice day.